Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.